According to trusted sources, we should be getting a Galaxy Note 10 Pro later this year. iPhone 11 rumors claim that the triple cameras in the frosted back might be deployed unevenly, and Foxconn is officially moving their iPhone production to India because that's a big deal right now. I'm Jaime Rivera, and forget a little bit of an early recording, but I'm about to go see a product, and it's going to be really hot. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals if you're in the market for the Apple Watch Series 4, which is the one that I highly recommend. It is currently on sale for $50 off both on B&H and Amazon. I'm not going to bore you with the details. This is definitely the Apple Watch to get. You can learn more in the description. Now let's talk about Honor as, well, we just have press invitations for an event to happen in London on May 21st. And the company is not skimping out on details. This is pretty much the Honor 20. There was a math equation and then photography of the Tower Bridge. I love how they say that it's London Bridge, but that's actually the Tower Bridge in London. And yeah, it seems that photography is going to be a big deal, and we are going to be there covering it live. Now let's talk about Foxconn and the future of iPhones. Obviously, you know everything that's been going on between the US administration and China and tariffs and everything. So the smartest thing to do is to just move production out of China, which is what Foxconn is doing for Apple right now. Apparently, production is going to be moving as soon as July, meaning the next generation iPhones could be pretty much built in India fully, which is good news. Let's just see which devices these are, because we still don't have details. And speaking of iPhones, we've got some trusted sources claiming a couple of things. The first one is that, yes, we should expect 3 models of the iPhone 11 this year, 11, 11 Max, and 11R, I guess. And it seems that the differences won't be that significant this time. It seems that Samsung just taught Apple something right now, as apparently the triple cameras are coming to all 3 phones. We just don't know if there's a difference in resolution between them, but triple cameras on all 3 phones this time. What is going to differentiate the higher end and the lower end, we assume, is the materials, obviously. And then the second is that frosted glass back. Apparently will only be coming to the higher end models, the 11 and the 11 Max. Let's see where we get that to. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, Galaxy Note 10 Pro, because according to one of the sources, these are the final names. The larger variant is going to be the Pro, and literally it's just going to be the larger variant. We even hear that the 5G and the regular variant, there will be a Pro of each and then a regular variant of each. The biggest question is exactly why is Samsung going to dub this device the Pro over the regular? Because we notice, for example, when it comes to Apple, that the Pro and regular are significant differences when it comes to the spec sheet and everything. In today's comment, let us know. I mean, what do you think that Samsung is going to add to this Note Pro? Or do you think that Pro would be well used for just a larger device? Because in my case, I believe not. I think that there has to be an added value, something that this device would be able to do that the other one won't, for me to consider it a Pro, but that's just me. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.